What is up, guys? Dean here again with Team Debrew, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can make $100 per day promoting affiliate products on Maxbounty and push notifications. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Again, if you're just tuning in with us, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make $100 per day with CPA offers and push notifications. So I'm going to show you guys step by step the entire process. Let's go ahead and start off here with Maxbounty. You can use Maxbounty or any affiliate network for this of your choice. If you do have another network that you prefer, of course, go ahead and feel free to use them. We're just using Maxbounty today as just kind of an example. They are pretty user-friendly, pretty new, beginner-friendly, I would say as well too, and they have over 1,500 different offers to choose from that you can promote all over the country, or all over the world, not country, sorry. So it is a great network to start with, as they do have just like a wide range of literally pretty much everything, so you get a good understanding of what you're doing. Are there other networks out there that are probably better? Of course. Typically we recommend Big Bang Ads, Yep Ads, Gotsa, places like that, as they do pay a lot better, but however those ones are a little bit harder to get into. So that being said, let's just go ahead and go into Maxbounty here today. If you guys watched our video from yesterday, I showed you guys how to make $100 a day with Maxbounty and Instagram story ads, and we actually used this same exact offer. I thought this offer would actually be a good offer that would work for push notifications as well too. So we're going to go ahead and use this here today. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to run this CPA offer with push traffic for you guys to be able to start making some money with some push notifications. So as you guys can see here, if this is your first time, basically what this is it's a cosmetic product line where you can basically become a tester for cosmetic products, sign up for free cosmetic products, and you know, become an official tester for this company. So all they have to do is basically fill out the information, and it's a single opt-in, one page, and there's no restrictions. We can do social search, you know, all of these different things, so we are good to go. They pay $2.50 per lead. We're already approved, so no worries on that. And it looks like the offer is for the United States. So we'll have to make sure we are running in the United States. So let's take a look at the landing page just to kind of see what it looks like here. So this is it. Pretty simple. Try for free cosmetic products, become an official tester for these free samples. And they just fill out the information, and that's it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So the way that this works, it's actually really simple. If you saw the other videos from like Instagram story ads and Facebook ads where you have to build a landing page and do all this other stuff, you don't necessarily have to do that for push notifications. We aren't going to build any kind of landing page here today. I'm just going to show you guys how to basically set up your tracking with volume to be able to track these, and then just upload the link directly within Propeller Ads. We're going to use Propeller Ads today. Sorry about that. I went a little brain dead there. We're going to show you guys how to basically put that link within inside Propeller Ads to go ahead and start running these push traffic campaigns. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we need to do is go ahead and get the link set up here with Maxbounty. So we're going to go ahead and build our tracking link. I'm just going to use social for now and raw link. Doesn't really matter too much on that part. For this one here, I'm going to put traffic name in here just to give me a good idea for what I need to change for my tracking. That's for the click ID. Let me just apply that. That should update this now. Let's make sure. So that shows here. So we'll copy. Now the first thing that we need to do is set up volume. Volume is our tracker to be able to track everything that's going on within our campaigns. It'll let us know a lot of insights on like click-through rates, conversion rates, you know, conversions, all types of different things that are going on. We'll be able to see different setups within our zones, our different zone IDs within Propeller Ads, right within our volume dashboard. So it's a great way to get a lot of insights on your CPA marketing campaigns, and it's definitely something that I would recommend for you guys to use, because not only is it going to be able to help collect all this data, but you're going to be able to use that data to later optimize your campaigns and really scale them to reach that $100 a day goal. So I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and set that up. This is volume. This is what it looks like whenever you guys first sign up for volume and get into the dashboard here. Today we are going to do a couple things here. To get this started, you will need to basically add affiliate networks, traffic sources. If you have a landing page, you'll have to set up a landing page, offers, and then create a new campaign. So there is a little bit of a flow to it. However, after you do it a couple times, you won't have to do certain things. So for example, for the affiliate network, because we run a lot with Maxbounty and other networks, we have a lot of the networks already added into our volume tracker. So I'm not going to go through the setup of adding an affiliate network or the traffic source because those are both there. However, the flow is pretty much the same. So while I'm going through the offer section, just kind of pay attention and it'll be pretty similar. So the first thing that we need to do is go ahead and add an offer. And also, guys, if you want to see some of the other flows, we do have a ton of videos just like this on our channel. Make sure you guys check out some of the other videos on the Debaru channel. We have a ton of push notification videos as well as like Facebook ad videos, Bing ad, Google ad, Pinterest, Yahoo. I mean, all types of things that you can think of. We have all of it on our Debaru YouTube channel. So make sure you guys check that out. But again, we're going to do offers. So I went ahead and clicked on that. We're going to create a new offer. Create. And this is, let's see, I'm not going to put that here. Can I take that out? No. So this offer is for a Maxbounty cosmetics, and the offer URL is here. Now one thing I need to do, I just need to remove these so I can re-edit them. So let me change the click ID to this. That way everything tracks right way. And then traffic name, I need to change to traffic source name. And now our link is good to go. We don't have to do anything else. It's going to go ahead and pull in everything else automatically. If you wanted to set it up, you can. Conversion cap, let's say if your offer had a cap of 50 leads a day. If you did have something like that and you weren't able to get an increased cap, you could set up a conversion cap where basically what would happen is this offer would then start redirecting to another offer in hopes for you to make money elsewhere. So we're going to go ahead and hit save. That's good to go. And now we're going to go over to campaigns. We're going to create a new campaign, simple one. And the traffic source is going to be let's see, Propeller Ads. The country is the United States. And this campaign is for Maxbounty. And it is for cosmetics. And we'll save that. Oh, sorry, I didn't hit save. We got to come down here. We're not doing a landing page or an offer, so we're going to go ahead and hit direct linking. That'll get rid of the other one. And then for the offer, this is where we're actually going to add in our offer. So here's the global Maxbounty cosmetics. Go ahead and hit save. And that's that. Now we can go ahead and copy this URL. This is our tracking URL that we're going to be able to use for our campaign. So I'm going to go ahead and hit done. And now what we can do is go to Propeller Ads. I've already gone ahead and logged in. I hit create campaign up at the top and it brought me to here. This is where we're going to start building out our Propeller Ads push notification campaign. So with Propeller Ads, they have 3 traffic types that you can choose. You can do pop unders, you can do push notifications, or native ads. Today we're going to do push notifications. We're just going to name this Maxbounty, or sorry, let me go back. So US 18 plus, Max B, and cosmetics. And I'm not going to put male or female because I'm only going to run for female because typically that's what this is going to be for. This is going to be where we put our URL in. As you can see, all of these different zones and IDs and things start updating here. So this is what is going to be caught within our link. You can set up frequency capping where basically if you want to show your ad more than once to someone a day, the same person, you can set that up here. I typically just leave it one time per day. I don't want it to be like too much for the person and kind of annoy them, so I just do one. And then this is where we do our creative. So we're going to go ahead and upload an image here. What I'm going to do is go here. So I have a bunch of push icons that I actually got for free in the AFK forum as well. So if you guys haven't already signed up for the AFK forum, make sure you guys sign up for the AFK forum, because there is a ton of information in there, as well as great tools and resources just like this, where you can take advantage of it and use them on your campaigns yourself. So if you guys need some push icons, go ahead and check out the AFK forum. There is a folder in there that a member was so graciously nice enough to upload for us, and there's tons of different folders. As you can see, there's like a BizOp one with 100, there's dating with 100, there's 200 in general, casino, crypto, all types of different icons. For today, I'm just going to go ahead and grab an icon here today. Let's see. Sometimes it takes a minute. Alright, so it finally uploaded here after a few minutes. Let me go ahead and hit crop. So that'll go ahead and upload the image here. This image is if you are running on desktop, so I'm just going to leave that alone. However, if we wanted to run on here, we could. Let me see. So we could do something like that. You could upload that right here too. Give me a second. It's probably going to mess around with it. About that, guys. So if you guys aren't aware, Propeller Ads has issues on Safari sometimes, and I just forgot. I should have done this on Chrome. I don't know why I did it on Safari, so you can just go ahead and upload this here. This would be like a desktop image that would pop up, or you can create your own with Canva or some other resource. And then what you could do is up here, this is going to be like your ad copy. So let's see if there's anything. Try cosmetic products for free. So we'll do something like it. Cosmetic products for free. Official product. Do this cosmetic testing. It's too long. So then we can preview it, and if we scroll down, we'll see a little icon. So this is what it would look like if it popped up on, let's say, someone's phone. So get cosmetic products for free. It would show the little like message icon. So I like to use these little types of icons personally, because it looks like someone is getting like a new message on their phone, or some sort of social media icon update or something. So it kind of blends in and gets people like, hey, what is this? That's what I like to use. However, you can use like little product images and different things like that. What I say with ad creatives is, with Propeller Ads specifically, you can actually add up to 8 different creatives at once. So if I clicked right here and added another creative, I could create another creative to go ahead and promote these types of offers. So I usually recommend doing at least 8 creatives. I'm only going to do one today just to save time. But for you guys, at least do 8. That way you guys can optimize your campaigns and see what is actually working best with the push notification audience that you're purchasing. And that way you're able to optimize your images and then find a real good image that actually converts really well for the audience that you're promoting with. Typically when I do optimizing of my ad creatives, I'll start off with like the images first, test out different images. Once I found a good set of images that is working well, then I'll try out different ad copies until I find a good ad copy that is working as well. And then I have the ultimate combo to be promoting on these push notifications. So for now, we're just going to leave this as is, but make sure you guys, when you guys are doing that you guys are doing 8. When you come down here, you could set up all traffic, you could do premium traffic. I haven't seen too much of a difference personally with premium traffic, so I'm just going to stick with all traffic right now. And then I like to test these all separately. So I'm just going to run high by itself. Sometimes I'll test medium and low together, but for the most part, I'll test every traffic source different separately. That way I can tell which one is actually the winner, which one works best for my campaign, and that'll help me out with a lot of understanding and knowledge with going forth with other campaigns that are running here too. As for the countries, we can set up automatic optimization, where if we didn't want to pay over, let's say a certain, maybe 20 cents a click or something like that, you could set that up here. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to let it auto optimize here today. As for the countries, I need to do United States. Oops. And the recommended is, looks like 3 cents. So I'll just do a little more. You can break down even more by cities. So let's say you only wanted to do for Phoenix, Arizona, or you only wanted to do for Los Angeles or Miami or wherever it may be. You could break it down for specific cities, which is kind of cool. Overall budget, typically what I like to do is $30 a day and $90 for the total campaign. That is 3 times the payout for the, or 3 times basically for the, so that's basically 3 times the budget, or daily budget for 3 days. We do 30 because typically with push notifications ads, it actually has to be a lot more, just because you're actually getting a lot more traffic for really cheap. So sometimes it turns out to be like 5 to 20 times X what your actual sweepstake offer might be. For example, if you're only getting if it's only paying like $2, a $2 rate, obviously with a lot of these push notification ones, they're going to have a minimum deposit, I believe either $50 to $100 for Propeller Ads, if I'm not mistaken. And then they do have some minimum daily budgets that you have to abide by too. So we're just going to do this campaign at $30, and we're going to run it for 3 days, and we're only going to run it for a total of $90 overall. So after $90, it's going to go ahead and stop. However, you do have to be aware that with push notifications, there is a lot of delayed clicks. So even though you spend $90 or whatever it might say, you might actually end up spending more, and it might go past the 3-day rule because of delayed clicks coming in. So just keep that in mind. You can change the platform. So we're going to do mobile only. You can do operating system. We're only doing Android. And you can change all this, but we're going to leave that alone. If you have custom audiences, or if you want to create one, you could do that here. And then we can do our campaign schedule. So with push notifications, I always recommend day parting. I don't like to run anything when people are asleep. Let me just do all of these. And so this is typically the time that I'll run in. And then after that, our campaign is all set up. Again, here's the preview. We're only running on Android, so that's what it would look like. But if we were running on these other ones, this is how it would look like. So we're just going to hit Start Campaign. Hit I declare, and that's it. So now the campaign will go ahead and start going into review, and it'll start running. And then what we'll want to do, obviously, guys, is we want to test out different traffic sources. So try out the different high, medium, low, and try out a lot of different creatives. That way you guys can find a real winner.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.